Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the 19V DC power supply replacement for LG monitor charger, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This power adapter is an excellent replacement option for a wide range of LG monitors and TVs, offering reliable performance and compatibility across multiple screen sizes including 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 27, 29, 32, and 34 models. This 19V 3.42A power adapter supports various LG monitor series, such as the 34UM69G, B, 29UM60, P, 27EA, 31V, and many more. It also extends compatibility to Samsung HDTVs and monitors, making it a versatile choice if you own devices from either brand. The adapter is designed with worldwide input voltage support, AC 100-240V50/60Hz, making it suitable for use in different regions. One of the standout features of this replacement adapter is its safety certifications including UL, FCC, and EEL, ensuring that it meets strict safety and quality standards. It also incorporates an anti-interference magnetic ring to minimize electromagnetic interference, EMI, along with short-circuit, overvoltage, and overcurrent protection. The build quality is robust, using flame-retardant PC and ABS plastic, which adds peace of mind regarding durability and safety. In terms of performance, the adapter delivers a stable 19V output at 3.42A, which is compatible not only with 3.42A devices, but also with those requiring slightly lower amperage ratings such as 3A, 3.15A, and down to 1A. This flexibility can be very useful if you are replacing a charger with varying amperage requirements. Pros of this power supply include its broad compatibility with many LG and Samsung models, strong safety features, solid build quality, and worldwide voltage support. It's also a cost-effective solution compared to purchasing original branded adapters. On the downside, this adapter is not compatible with Peloton devices, so users with those should look elsewhere. Additionally, while it covers many models, it's always important to double-check your device's voltage and amperage requirements to ensure full compatibility. Overall, this 19V DC power supply replacement is a reliable and safe choice for anyone needing a replacement charger for their LG or Samsung monitor or TV. For those interested, remember the link to get this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to grab a good deal. Thank you for reading, and don't forget, the discounted purchase link is fixed in the first comment for your convenience.